Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best dish racks available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're tight on space, need something durable, or are looking for a premium option, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the PXYH Muss Large Dish Drying Rack. This sleek black dish rack is perfect for those who need versatility and adaptability in their kitchen. One of its standout features is its expandable design, which allows it to stretch from 19.2 to 26.7 inches, making it ideal for kitchens of different sizes. It accommodates a variety of items, from plates to pots and pans, and comes with a removable utensil holder that can be mounted wherever you find convenient. The build quality here is impressive, with a stainless steel frame that's resistant to corrosion and scratches. This ensures the rack is not only durable, but also safe for your tableware. The anti-corrosion coating adds an extra layer of protection, while the design remains lightweight at just 3.75 pounds. Cleaning is a breeze. Just wipe it down or rinse it under the tap. However, while the rack performs well for larger kitchens, the lack of a dedicated drainage system may require you to manually dry your counter after use. If you're looking for a mid-range option that offers flexibility and can handle heavy-duty kitchenware, the PXYH Muss Rack is a solid choice. It's best suited for households that need a customizable and robust drying solution. Coming in at number 4, the JCWay Dish Drying Rack is an excellent choice for those with limited countertop space. This expandable rack is designed to fit over the sink, in the sink, or on the countertop, making it a versatile and space-saving option. Its adjustable supporting bars extend from 15.5 to 22.8 inches, ensuring compatibility with most sinks. The rack can hold up to 8 plates along with bowls and glasses, making it ideal for small kitchens or households with minimal dishwashing needs. The build quality is top-notch, featuring food-grade stainless steel that resists rust and scratches. The design is compact yet sturdy, with a maximum weight capacity of 70 pounds. Assembly is tool-free and straightforward, making it easy to set up and customize to your needs. One of its unique features is its multi-purpose functionality. It can double as a colander for rinsing fruits and vegetables directly over the sink. While the JCWay rack is a fantastic option for small kitchens, its limited capacity may not be sufficient for larger households. However, if you're looking for a rust-proof and adjustable dish rack that saves space and adds convenience, this is a great pick. Securing the number 3 spot is the 7-code Large Dish Drying Rack, a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on space or functionality. This 2-tier rack offers ample room for plates, bowls, mugs, and even kitchen pots, thanks to its detachable design. It also includes a utensil holder and a cup rack, ensuring you have enough compartments to organize all your tableware. One of the standout features is the auto-draining drainboard, which has central drainage holes and a 360-degree swivel spout. This ensures that water flows efficiently into the sink, keeping your countertops dry. The rack is made of premium metal with a rust-resistant white powder coating, offering durability and a sleek aesthetic. Assembly is a breeze, requiring no tools, which is a huge plus for convenience. The 7-code rack delivers excellent value for its price, but the lightweight construction might not be as sturdy as some higher-end models. It's perfect for small to medium-sized households looking for a functional and affordable dish rack that keeps the kitchen tidy. At number 2, we have the Kitzier Dish Drying Rack, the most budget-friendly option on our list. With its compact dimensions of 12 inches by 15 inches, this dish rack is perfect for kitchens with limited space. Despite its smaller size, it can hold up to 10 plates along with additional bowls and glasses, making it a great space-saving solution. The rack is constructed with premium rust-proof metal and features a plastic drain board, ensuring durability and easy maintenance. Its simple design includes a detachable cutlery holder with 2 compartments, allowing you to separate your utensils and small items. Assembly is quick and tool-free, and cleaning is as simple as rinsing it under running water. While the Kitzure rack is an economical and compact solution, it may not be ideal for larger households or those with heavy dishwashing needs. However, if you're looking for an affordable, efficient, and easy-to-maintain dish rack, this is an excellent choice for small spaces. Finally, at the top spot, we have the KitchenAid Large Capacity Dish Rack, the premium option for those who want the best of the best. This full-size rack is designed to handle large loads, including plates, mugs, glasses, bowls, utensils, and even pots and pans. Its spacious design ensures that all your dishwashing needs are met, while the rust-resistant, satin-coated steel wires guarantee durability and long-lasting performance. One of the standout features is the angled drainage system that directs water straight into the sink, preventing pooling and keeping your countertops dry. The non-slip feet ensure that the rack stays stable on smooth surfaces, and the removable flatware caddy with adjustable compartments makes unloading your utensils a breeze. At 6.8 pounds, it's heavier than most racks, but this adds to its stability. The KitchenAid rack is undoubtedly a premium choice, with a price tag to match. However, its superior build quality, efficient drainage system, and ample capacity make it worth the investment for larger households or those who value convenience and durability. It's the ultimate dish rack for anyone who wants top-tier performance and design. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the right dish rack for your kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any questions about these products, feel free to leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.